There's that 3-head signal I was talking about. I'm gonna put that in the other yard. My other setup. That's not quite complete yet. Another drink of water. It's kind of what's left of this area, the S line. Like literally right here was the S line and A line. The garbage can isn't even full yet, and my layout is almost gone. It's almost full, but got a bunch of power lines right here. Now, right here, we're about to go to Tree Mania. First, I'm going to pull up a little bit more power lines.
Imagine if manufacturing automation was simple.
There. Alright, what little remains of the CNO and ACL what's left of the CSX Tampa subdivision is going to be repurposed for another subdivision. This time it's the Rockport subdivision. Somewhat similar to the Tampa subdivision, except a lot different. Now, where did my screwdriver go? Here it is. Alright, time to start pulling wires underneath the bench work. And in one of the episodes, you'll get to see giant mess. Big mess in my opinion. Really pull this up.